They trying to erase our history and they not make them destroy this sculpture.
Сәлемсіз, сәлем. Мен бүгін бар тіректерден buluşurға сұрайым. I want your help.
I'm gonna say it in English because you may don't understand some words what I'm gonna say. Basically, we have statue of a Turkic figure. It's proto-Turkic people and they have statue on Samara region near city of Samara. There was a state called Idil, Bulgar, and for his ruler installed sculpture of him, Khan Kotrak, and he did start nation of Turkic people, Bulgar. So that's why this is very, very, very meaning for us. We just need a lot of attention to this to not make them destroy this sculpture. It's our history, it's our destiny. They trying to erase our history, and the president of Turan Tel organization, but they said this is a political. They trying to erase our history. I'm gonna talk about history. If you want to erase history, please don't forget what our lands was like. They erased our historical lands, so we don't know our historical lands, and they try and destroy statue in our historical lands. Our Bulgar Turkic nation, we Tatars, we are came from these Bulgars. We are also Turkic nation. We talking Turkic. Mini anlasağız, buluşırız. If you understand me, support me, and whatever you want. If you know some politicians, if you're from Azerbaijan, if you're from Turkey, if you're from whatever country are you, please, just we need a lot of attention to this situation to prevent this from happening. Just please share with all your friends, all your colleagues, or your whatever you know. Bye for now. Sağ olunuz, hoşçakalın, бақытлы yaşayınız. Bye.